Marcus Williams, the president of the Association of Bahamas Marinas.
The Association of the Bahamas Marinas is a non-profit organization geared along the lines of providing insight, activism, and the fight for yachts and marinas in the Bahamas. The ABM decided to put together a charter yacht show because we thought it was best to marry the yacht charter brokers, captains, yachts, and this beautiful, unique destination. The Bahamas has over 700 islands, reefs, and keys for exploration.
With almost 50 vessels staying at 4 different marinas, all located in historical Nassau Harbor, the Bahamas Charter Yacht Show was an amazing opportunity to showcase not only what the island of New Providence has to offer, but also the Bahamas as a destination in itself.
Outside of the marinas, we wanted to showcase our beautiful destination. We highlighted some of our hotels, our dining options, and some of our cultural expressions.
With 16 major islands, the Bahamas is an unmatched destination, a heart-pounding adventure across 100,000 square miles of the world's clearest ocean. Almost 100 international charter yacht brokers came to Nassau to meet up with captains and crew, marina representatives from across the archipelago, and many Bahamian partners in the industry to get a better understanding of how well the Bahamas can cater to their VIP clientele. Needless to say, the inaugural Bahamas Charter Yacht Show was a productive and fun event where everyone got to experience a taste of the Bahamas, and we look forward to a bigger and better one in 2024.
January 2024 is going to be bigger, more exciting, so come on down to the Bahamas Charter Yacht Show.